Hello everyone, this is a listening comprehension task. Read the questions in the description box, then listen to the story and try to answer them. The answer key will be at the end of the video. Check the description box again for additional exercises and tasks. Have fun! From cocoa tree to a cup of hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a warm and comforting drink that many people enjoy on cold winter days. It is often connected with feeling relaxed, safe, and cozy. However, before it becomes a sweet drink in a cup, cocoa has to travel a very long way and go through many important stages. Cocoa comes from the cocoa tree, which usually grows in hot and rainy places near the equator. These trees often grow in countries in Africa, South America, and Asia. Cocoa trees normally produce large fruits called pods. Inside each pod, there are cocoa beans surrounded by white pulp. Farmers usually open the pods by hand and take out the beans. After that, the beans are often left to dry in the sun for several days. This is a very important step because it gives cocoa its special taste. Farmers sometimes turn the beans to help them dry evenly. When the beans are ready, they are packed into bags and sent to factories. They are usually transported by ship across the ocean. In the factories, the cocoa beans are cleaned, roasted, and broken into small pieces. These pieces are often ground into a thick paste called cocoa mass. From this mass, cocoa powder and cocoa butter are produced. Chocolate companies often mix cocoa powder with sugar and milk powder to make hot chocolate products. By the way, cocoa also has some health benefits. It contains magnesium and antioxidants, which can help the body relax, support the heart, and sometimes improve mood when eaten in small amounts. So, next, the hot chocolate powder is packed and sent to shops. It is usually sold in supermarkets, small local stores, or online. People often buy it in winter, but some drink it all year round. In cafes, hot chocolate is usually made fresh and served with milk, cream, or marshmallows. Finally, when you make hot chocolate at home, you only need to add hot milk or water. People sometimes drink it slowly to warm up and relax. Hot chocolate is not just a drink. It is often a small winter comfort that makes cold days feel better.